Hey everyone, welcome back to Pajama Crafts where I do crafts in my pajamas. I have 3 Christmas DIYs for you guys today, but I am really excited for the first one because we are finally doing the giveaway. I got the product from Arteza that I wanted to show you guys. It's these chalk markers. I know I've used these in a video before, but I just wanted to show you again how they work and what you will be getting in the giveaway if you win. So make sure to watch to the end to see how you can enter the giveaway, and let's get started. So this comes with 42 different colors. It comes also with these little chalk labels, and then it has one little page of number stencils in here. I apologize for my voice. It's early in the morning and I'm trying to do this voiceover before getting Brie out of bed. So I still have the morning voice. But anyway, this comes in there as well. And then it also comes with these 2 little bags of extra tips for the markers. And they actually come with different shapes, different kinds of tips. So you'll see on the one that I use that's already in there, it's kind of a rounded tip. And then there's like a pointy one and then a slanted edge. So you have a bunch of those, and then you have the tweezers so that you can change out the tips. It's really easy. Now this chalkboard I actually made with Dollar Tree products and Arteza's, what is it called? The chalk paper roll thingy stick. Oh my goodness, the peel and stick chalkboard. But this is the tip that comes in the chalk markers. Anyway, I just cleaned that off from a different DIY that I did. I will leave the link down below on how I made the chalkboard. I just used the Dollar Tree frame. And then I'm using a white, the white, oh my goodness, you guys, it's too early. I'm using the white chalkboard marker on here. These write so nice and smoothly. I absolutely love them. Now, I did mess up a little bit and I just wiped it off with some with a wet paper towel, and then I went ahead and went back over that spot with some regular chalk, just smeared it on there to try to make it look more like the rest of the chalkboard. I don't know if that's what I should have done. If you guys know more about chalkboards, let me know what you do. But I didn't want to clean off the entire thing when I wanted it to kind of like blend in. So I just rubbed that all over it and then I rewrote it. I have been practicing with hand lettering a little bit more lately, and all I can tell you is to do thicker strokes on the down stroke. So if your marker or pencil is going down, make those lines thicker. Other than that, that's all I know. That's all I can share with you guys so far. But anyway, these write so nicely. And I just wanted to write "Let It Snow" and add some cute little snowy dots, and I think it came out beautiful. So thank you to Arteza for partnering with me to get you guys these awesome markers. So make sure you wait till the end of the video to see how to enter the giveaway, and one of you guys will be getting the markers. Now they did just update their shipping to a lot more countries now, so make sure you do put what country you're in down in the comments so I can make sure that you're eligible for the giveaway. I'm sure you will be, though, most likely. I think most of my viewers are in the United States and Canada. I know I have a few from other countries, but just let me know in the comments so I can make sure that you're eligible for the giveaway, because they're going to be mailing it out straight from Arteza. I think it came out cute, but of course there's so many different colors and ways that you can decorate a chalkboard with all of those markers. So on to the next DIY. I had this old piece of scrap wood from my dad, and as you can see, it was like a failed DIY, so I just decided to reuse it. I'm using some green paint in the color Spanish Moss, and I just covered the entire thing. Next, I'm taking this felt Christmas tree from Dollar Tree, and I just went ahead and cut off the top because my board is a little bit smaller than this tree, so I needed to fit on here. So I cut the top off and just made it pointy, and then the bottom part I put down just a little bit so the stem would just be a little bit shorter because I wanted the whole top to be able to be on in the picture. And then I just used some double-sided tape to make this stay in place, and I went ahead and flipped that over and positioned it exactly how I wanted it to be. And then I am using this brush I got on Amazon a long time ago. It looks like it's called Chalk Mountain Brushes. I really love it. I love how you can hold it in your hand, and it's really good for like stenciling if you need to, or even brushing for chalk paint. But I just kind of bounced it up and down just to kind of get almost like a snow effect. I thought it was so pretty, so that's what I did all over the whole thing. Now, I know this type of DIY has been done 1,000 times with the pumpkins. I've done it before with a leaf. I don't know if anyone's done it with a Christmas tree before, but hopefully it wasn't exactly the same as mine. But I just think it's so pretty when I take the little stencil off. Just so rustic and beautiful. The pieces of tape are actually stuck to the wood, and when I pulled them off, it made kind of like a little bit of a rustic effect where it kind of pulled off a tiny bit of the paint, and I thought that was really pretty actually. And then I just made this little twine bow and hot glued it to the top of the tree, and that was the end of this DIY. So simple, and I thought it turned out really cute. For our next DIY, we have this Peace on Earth wood scroll sign. I'm using this old sign from Dollar Tree. I just cut off the string at the top and remove those labels, and I'm going to be using the back side of the sign. Of course, you can use the front if you want and just sand off all that glitter and paint over. Or if you don't want the back looking like it does, you can also paint over that or cover it with some craft paper or something like that. I'm not worried about it. No one's going to be seeing it, so I just leave it the way it is. Less work for me. But anyway, I'm using some white Waverly chalk paint and just covering the whole entire back of this sign. Next, I'm using some wood glue and taking these pieces of wood that I had from a previous project that I just ripped off of there because I didn't like it anymore. I'm just using wood glue to put these to the top and bottom. Now, this is scrap wood from my dad's work, but you could just use some paint stirring sticks or whatever you have on hand. And I think these I stained with a walnut stain. Dark walnut, I think. Then I printed this printable from Pinterest. Just says Peace on Earth. I picked that because it reminds me of that Casting Crowns song. I don't know if it's actually called Peace on Earth, or I Heard the Bells on Christmas Day. I think it's called that. Anyway, I love their Christmas album, and I listen to it all the time at Christmas. I love that song, and so that's why I picked this one, because I love music, and you guys know that if you watch my videos a lot, I love to sing. So anyway, I picked that, and then I'm just using the method where you just scribble pencil all over the back to transfer this onto my sign. And then just outline it with your pen, and then voila, you have the outline. And then I just went over it with a Sharpie. Now, I just found out about transfer paper. I don't know where I have been, but I saw someone use transfer paper on their video the other day, and I was like, what? So anyway, if you have the chance to pick up some transfer paper, that's a great option too. But I haven't been to a craft store lately, so that's out of the question for me, so I'm just still using my good old pencil. But it works just fine, just as well as anything else. But that's all that I did for this sign. So while you guys watch me finish this DIY, I'm just going to let you know what you have to do to enter into the giveaway. So I'm going to leave links below for everything, but make sure you go subscribe to Arteza's channel. Go follow their channel. That will be in the link below. You need to like and comment on one of their videos, and then comment on this video letting me know that you did those things. Also add what country you're in so that I know if you're eligible for the giveaway. They've added tons of countries to where they will ship to, so I'm sure you're good, but just to be sure, make sure you do leave that in the comments as well. But yeah, that's all you have to do. Also like this video. And then I will tell you guys in my next video what I'm giving away as my own giveaway and how you guys can enter for that. So make sure to stay tuned for the next videos as well. But this video will be open for 1 week so that you guys have enough time to be able to enter. So I will let you know the winner of the giveaway in my next video, or whenever it's been 1 week. I might do another video in between. We'll see. But I will announce the winner of the giveaway in another video, and I'll also go ahead and comment back on this video and whoever wins. So hopefully that you do see that comment. So make sure you have your notifications on. But yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs. Let me know how long you want to see more Christmas DIYs. I think I have at least 1 or 2 more videos coming up. Let me know if you are over the Christmas DIYs, or if you're still watching or just putting up your Christmas decor. If you're gonna have time to make new DIYs still before Christmas. I am a little late. I'm still getting up some of my decor, like my outdoor stuff, but we already have up our tree and everything inside, so I'm probably not making any more for our Christmas, but let me know what you guys are doing and if you still want to see more Christmas DIYs. As you can see here, I just added some twine to the back with some hot glue to get that hanger, and I put so much hot glue. You probably don't need this much at all. I went a little crazy, like a lot of crazy. Anyway, but it holds, so there's that. And here's Bree just being stinking cute.
Yeah?
Is that you?
Yeah?
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 That's you. What do you think about it?
Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.